Hello and welcome to week 2 of Hot Wheels Dual Racing. Today, our racers, the Jaguar MK1 and the Peugeot 9x8 Hypercar. And the winner of this week's race will go into week 3 to race the 2020 Koenigsegg Jesko. And there will be a bonus unboxing at the end of this video. Right over here. Okay, let's open. So, first, let's open this Jaguar MK1. I really like the color, and yeah, that's pretty much all I like about it. No offense. Next, we have the Peugeot 9x8 Hypercar. I had to look up how to pronounce this one. Pretty cool, actually. It's very long. This is my finger compared to it. So actually, yeah. So looks very aerodynamic, and yeah, not much to say about this. So, the race. In lane 2, we have the Peugeot Hypercar thing, and in lane 5, the Jaguar MK1. So, 3, 2, 1. Nice. The Peugeot wins, and he will go on to week 3 to race that Koenigsegg. Okay. Now, the bonus unboxing of this video. What is it? It is a Matchbox gift pack and from the Replay the Classic series. Let's see it. Inside, we have the 1969 Ford Mustang Boss 302, the 1955 Porsche 550 Spyder, the 1963 Ford F100, and the Divco milk truck. So, yeah, these are really cool. Let's open it. Got my handy box opener. I don't need the box opener. Okay, I'm scared to open this. This is really cool. So, here we have it. I think these boxes are empty, so you can like store it. It's kind of old-fashioned. It's pretty cool. I'm probably gonna keep it unopened, but there's nothing inside. And here's the actual Mustang. This is really cool. And I believe, yep, the hood does open. So, can't really open it that much, but this is really cool. I like the nice matte color and the rims. This is just like really cool, old-fashioned classic. Next, hold on. This Porsche, I mean, sometimes you can't even tell what, oh wow, okay, you can't tell what the back and the front, like what's the difference, but, you know, look at that. The back engine opens really nicely, and there's some really good detail. I don't know if you can see that. It's really good detail inside. And yeah, this is really nice. See the milk truck? Got the package, and wow, okay, this is a classic. I really like this. Do the doors open? Do they? Oh, they do! That is so cool. Okay, you can kind of see inside there. Oh yeah. And then, is the lid open? The lid does not open, but otherwise, this is a really cool car. I am going to display this. And then, my one and only favorite, the Ford F100. I still like the 1963 version, but I definitely like the 1972 modified better. But this is still really cool. Look at the rims, like it's a classic rim, and the front opens up. You can't really see the engine inside, but there is one. It's like trunk space, and wow. Okay, I really like this as well. Yeah, these are all going on display. And I'm keeping this box. I mean, seriously, who wouldn't? This is actually really cool. Yeah. So, anyways, thanks for watching. Come back for week 3, where I race the winners of week 1 and 2, and see who wins. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.